Hello, this is John from ASP Microcomputers. Today I'd like to compare the Zapper Tornado 1D to the new Zapper Tornado 2D scanners. Now both of these barcode scanners look very much the same, as you can see here. This particular unit is the 2D version. So it uses an integral camera for the detection of the barcode. It has an aiming dot, as you can see, and it scans a fairly wide area, aimed of course by the dot, so it can be quite selective. We'll get to that a bit later on. The 1D scanner, which we have on this side over here, is a linear imager. So it draws a line here, this LED line, to which it reads the barcodes with. So we'll have a look at how those two compare and how they perform. First up here we have a set of books. These books have their respective barcodes, and I'll use the 1D scanner for the initial scanning. There is an indicator, both these units have an indicator on top which lights green, indicating a valid scan, and we can therefore go through and scan each barcode. As you can see, I need to line up the barcode scanner to the barcode itself. If I scan it diagonally, for example, it will not work. Obviously, we have to line up the barcode bars to the scanner itself. In comparison, let's have a look at the 2D version. This is a 2D scanner with the aiming dot, but it can really read the barcode any which way. You can see here that regardless of where the barcode is lined up, or how it is lined up to the scanner, we have a green indicator showing that the barcode is successfully read, and we use the aiming dot to aim the beam and scan in any which direction. It doesn't matter if it's diagonal or at right angles to the unit, it does not matter at all. So it is a quick, efficient way of scanning 1D barcodes, even though the scanner obviously does more than that. It reads QR codes. I have a QR code example here. So let's bring in an item with some QR codes on it. We have some small QR codes at the top, and this scanner will happily read those. And of course also the 1D, which is situated down at the bottom here. So again, any which direction, 1D, 2D, it doesn't matter. So a distinct advantage in terms of ergonomics in not having to line up the barcode with the scanner. A significant advantage of the Tornado 2D barcode scanner, even when used on 1D barcodes, is of course the orientation, where we don't have to line the barcode up with the unit itself. The barcode can be scanned at any angle, but also a large advantage with its built-in artificial intelligence for barcodes that are quite poor. As you can see here, we have a barcode that is almost illegible. In fact, I'll try to scan that with our 1D unit. Here's the 1D, and it just does not pick it up. It doesn't matter which way I orient the scanner. We have no audible beep, no read indication on the top of the unit, so not lighting up green. Nothing at all is happening. In contrast, I'll scan it with our 2D unit, aim the dot, and scan the barcode. As you can see here on the screen, it reads it quite easily, successfully, and without errors. And again, the barcode is really very, very poor, as you can see here. I can read that at an angle. Let's just put it sideways. And there we go again. So reads it quite successfully without having to line the barcode up, and even such a poor quality barcode reads extremely well, something that the 1D scanner is just not able to do. The advantage of the Tornado 2D barcode scanner, of course, is it can read 2D codes, data metrics, QR, so it reads a whole range of 2D codes, postal codes for example, and even very tiny codes. We saw that the scanner can pick up codes that are damaged and not clearly readable, but even very small codes. We have here a small bottle which has a QR code. In a medical environment, this is quite common, so we can read the code successfully right there. And even there's a batch number just at the very bottom. You can see a very, very tiny code right there. It's probably maybe 3 or 4 millimeters on the side, and it picks it up and reads it without any issues whatsoever. So it is a very practical solution for very tiny codes. I'll bring in another item. Here we have some electronic equipment marked with a data metrics code. You see right here, very small code on the label, and we can read that successfully without any issues. There we go. I'd also like to demonstrate the ability of our Tornado 2D barcode scanner to easily pick up codes from a screen. So either a tablet or a phone screen or a laptop, we can quite easily just aim the dot and pick up the barcode successfully. So no issue with reading barcodes at all off a screen. That's another large advantage. In a lot of situations you do require to read barcodes off of a screen, so it does so quite easily.